Hi, welcome to Mom's Cooking Channels. Today I'm going to show you how to make a microwave rice, sweet rice, gluten rice, or sticky rice. And here's all the stuff that you will need. A short grain of sweet rice, olive oil or any kind of cooking oil, full top sandwich bags, a cookie mat, measuring cup, a small bowl, measuring spoon, a rice paddle in a glass bowl, a strainer, and a bamboo rice holder. So now the rice has been soaked overnight, and you're going to take it out and rinse it a couple times, and then pour through a strainer. Now you're going to put back in the glass bowl. Then you can add 1 1/4 cup of water to the rice. And 1 teaspoon of oil. The oil will help the rice not stick to your hand. So now you have to mix really good. Make sure everything mixes well together before we bring to cook in the microwave. So now you have to use the rice paddle to pat the rice down so the water will cover the rice. And now it's done, the water covered the rice. So now we're gonna bring to the microwave and cook for 7 minutes. Okay, so now you're gonna take the rice down and stir the rice all over, and then cover with a plastic wrap. But make sure you leave a hole on the side for breathing. Okay, so now we just have to put the rice back in the microwave, cook for another 7 more minutes. So now it's done. You have to be very careful because it's very hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Now just remove the plastic wrap. And you can scoop the rice into the cookie mat. Just spread all over to cool down. So now you can use the sandwich bag and just put your hand inside the bag like this, and then just put the rice inside your palm. Then you pull the other side of the bag out to close the rice in. So just like this. So now I'm putting the last rice in the basket, and now we're all done. I hope this video helped you. You don't have to have a rice cooker. You can make your rice in the microwave. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.